So Tau is basically at a high level a way of people fine tuning their own models for their own domains. So there's always been this sort of stress between, do you have one model to rule them all, or do you have a sort of a separate model for every single individual domain? And given that a lot of people's data is private, we seem to be gravitating towards a world in which these aren't actually necessarily like entirely orthogonal, but they're very much in a world where a lot of people do need customized models for their data and their use cases. And so that's what it is. It's a way of doing that. And most importantly, it's a way of doing that without people having labels. Like the bane of every single machine learning person trying to build a custom model is, oh no, where am I going to get the labels for this data? The
Expensive. So
Yeah, these are
expensive.
expensive. The annotation costs are going to be super expensive. And we've heard this like time and time again from so many customers, right? Like that's actually where some of the initial motivation came from, right? So we were thinking, okay, the initial version was like, okay, what would it take to have some kind of a system where people are deploying their models, collecting feedback in some form with these models, and then using those to continuously improve them through time, right? But not everyone has access to be able to collect this sort of like feedback and whatnot in real time. A lot of people just straight up, they have an idea of the tasks they want to do, right? They have some prompts and whatnot, but they don't have a particularly like large data set on how to do it.
Man.